Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Regular Learning Academy. I am Dr. Krishna Sarkar, Department of Electrical Engineering. Here in this session, I will be going to discuss about transfer function or transfer matrix. This is state space analysis, control system subjects, and lecture series on state space analysis, lecture number 5. So our topic's name, transfer function or transfer matrix. Overview. What is the overview? What is transfer function? What is transfer matrix? What is characteristics equation? Input-output relation of transfer matrix. SISO and MIMO system from transfer matrix. SISO means single input, single output, and multi-input, multi-output system from transfer function or transfer matrix. Application of transfer matrix. So what is transfer function and what is transfer matrix? By definition, transfer function definition. What is the transfer function definition? Laplace transform of output divided by Laplace transform of input and all initial conditions are zeros is called transfer function. What is the transfer function? Again, Laplace transform of output divided by Laplace transform of input and all initial conditions are zeros is called transfer function. And what is transfer matrix? The matrix relating Laplace transform of output to Laplace transform of input of state space representation of control system is known as transfer matrix. So transfer function and transfer matrix. Then transfer matrix. Let the dynamic of linear time invariant systems be written in vector matrix differential equation as. What is the vector matrix differential equation? X dot equals to x plus bu and y equals to cx plus du. And x dot equals to x plus bu. This is called state equation because derivative terms left hand side and free of derivative terms right hand side. This can be also x dot t equals to a x t plus b u of t and y t equals to cxt plus d u of t. A is a constant system matrix of order n cross n. So A, what is A? A is the constant system matrix of order n cross n. And B is the input coupling matrix of order n cross r. U is a r cross 1 input matrix. So x dot equals to x plus bu is called the state equations. Again, y of t equals to output y of t equals to cx t plus d of ut, d into u of t, where y is a m cross 1 output vector, c is m cross 1 system matrix, and d is m cross r transmission matrix. Yt equals to cx plus du or yt equals to c into x of t plus d of into u of t is called output equations. Taking Laplace transformation on both sides in equation 1 and equation 2. This is equation number 1. X dot t equals to xt plus b u of t. So left hand side Laplace transformation. What is this? Is first order system. So s into x of s minus x of 0. This is the initial condition. And right hand side a constant and x of t Laplace transformation or Laplace transform of x of t equals to x of s plus b constant value u of t Laplace transform of u of t equals to u of s. So this is the Laplace transform equation, equation 3. And output equation y of t equals to c into x of t plus d into u of t. And taking Laplace transform both sides and we get y of s. This is the left hand side y of t. So after Laplace transformation, this is y of s and equals to c constant value taking Laplace transform x of t, then x of t equivalent to x of s plus d constant and Laplace transform of u of t equals to u of s. So this is 3 and 4 Laplace transform equations. As per definition of transfer function, x of 0 equals to 0. That means all initial conditions are 0. So put here x of 0 equals to 0. Then we get s into x of s equals to axs plus b into e of s. So put here x0 equals to 0 and we get this is the s of s into x of s equals to a into xs plus b into u of s. S into x of s and this is minus a into xs equals to right hand side b into u of s. Common x into s, x of s common. Then we get si minus a whole into x of s equals to b into u of s. S into I equals to identity matrix because A also matrix. That's why S into I also matrix and same dimension. Then what is XS? XS equals to SI minus A whole inverse B into U of S. This is equation number 5. So XS equals to SI minus A whole inverse B into U of S. SI minus A whole inverse is called resolvent matrix. This is also called phi of S. Phi of S equals to SI minus A whole inverse. Then substituting 5 in 4, the following equation is obtained. Or XS equals to what? Already proved SI minus A whole inverse B into US. This is equation number 5. And output Y of S equals to C into XS plus D into U of S. So put here X of S equals to SI minus A whole inverse B into U of S. Put here X of S. Then we get YS equals to what? This is YS, left hand side YS. So put YS and C X of S equals to SI minus A whole inverse B into U of S plus D into U of S. So this is the output equation. Y of S equals to C into SI minus A whole inverse into BUS plus D into U of S. Common U of S. This is U of S. Also this is U of S. So common. Then we get C into SI minus A whole inverse B plus D whole into U of S. And then divided both sides U of S. We get the transfer matrix G of S equals to YS by U of S equals to C. This is C. SI minus A whole inverse B plus D. So this is the transfer function or transfer matrix. Laplace transform of output Y of S. This is the output. And divided Laplace transform of input and all initial conditions are zeros. Then the transfer matrix equals to C into SI minus A whole inverse B plus D. If D is null matrix, the transfer matrix takes the following form. Null matrix means if D equals to 0, then we can write G of S equals to YS by US equals to C into SI minus A whole inverse B. Transfer matrix 7, this is the 7, can also be represented as G of S equals to QS by determinant or mod of SI minus A, mod of SI minus A, where Q of S is a polynomial in S and SI minus A equals to 0 is called characteristics equation of GS, because we know transfer function Y of S equals to Y of S by U of S equals to GS by 1 plus GSIS, or GS equals to 2S by SI minus A. This part gives the roots of the characteristics equation, or SI minus A equals to 0 is called, that's why characteristics polynomial of GS. Eigenvalues of SI minus A are identical to the poles of the GS. That means this is also gives the poles of the characteristics equation. For a multi-input, multi-output or MIMO system, the transfer function is given by G of S equals to YS by US, or cross multiplication, then y of s equals to what? Y of s equals to gs into u of s. Gs into u of s. This is equation number 9. So output y of s equals to gain g of s and input, reference input u of s. In expanded from equation 9 can be written as, this is the very important matrix form, left hand side y of s. So write y1s, y2s, y3s, dot, 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 y of yms. That means this is m cross 1 matrix. Left hand side output m cross 1 matrix. This is the dimension m cross 1. And this is gs, g11s, g12s, dot, 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 g1ms, g2s, 21s, g22s, dot, 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 g2ms, gm1s, gm2s, dot, 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 gmrs. So this is m cross r matrix. And what is the input dimension? This is u1s, u2s, u3s, dot, 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 urs. So this is r cross 1 matrix. In matrix properties, if multiplication, then m cross r into r cross 1, r cancel. This is also left m cross 1 matrix. So left hand side m cross 1, also right hand side m cross 1 matrix. So dimensions are same. Then transfer matrix continue. The transfer function for multi-input, multi-output system is given below. G of s equals to ys by u of s. C into si minus a whole inverse b plus d. This is the overall transfer matrix or transfer function. So this is si minus a whole inverse. This is the very important factor. Si minus a whole inverse means adjoint of si minus a divided by determinant of si minus a. So this is c into b plus d into si minus a by si minus a determinant. As transfer function is a ratio of two polynomials of s, the denominator polynomial of s of transfer function is called the characteristics polynomial. This is called characteristics equation. So this is the transfer function is called the characteristics polynomial. Si minus a equals to 0. Hence si minus a represents the characteristics polynomial and the characteristics equation is given by si minus a equals to 0. This is also gives the roots of the characteristic, roots of the systems. The roots of this polynomial are called the characteristics roots of eigenvalues of matrix A. Further, it may be noted that for single input, single output or SISO system, the transfer function becomes a scalar 1. If there is no direct compiling between input and output, then d equals to 0 and the transfer function is as. When d equals to 0, then the transfer function, overall transfer function, ys by us equals to c into si minus a whole inverse b, because d equals to null matrix or d equals to 0. Then this is the transfer function, and this transfer function for single input, single output system or SISO system. So what is the another form? C into adjoint of si minus a whole into b by si minus a mod, because si minus a whole inverse equals to adjoint of si minus a divided by determinant of si minus a. So this is the SISO system, and for SISO system, this is the transfer function c into adjoint of si minus a whole into b by determinant of si minus a. Hence, si minus a represents the characteristics polynomial, and the characteristics equation is given by si minus a equals to 0. The roots of this polynomial are called the characteristics roots or eigenvalues of matrix A. This is for single input, single output systems. Thank you.